Good morning, students. Good morning and welcome to our maths class. Exercise 8.2, question number 3 we started here. Question number 1 and 2 is very easy. It is just like 8.1. You can solve by yourself. Question number 3 is write the following decimals in the place value table. I think you know the place value table, right? So let us start with ones, here tens, here it is hundreds, thousands. Now at the to the right it is tens, hundreds. Okay, tens means what? 1 upon 10. Hundreds means what? 1 upon 100. Thousands means what? 1 upon 1000. If we needed thousands, then you can write here there thousands. Okay, ones means multiply by 1, tens means multiply by 10, hundreds means multiply by 100, and thousands means multiply by 1000. 1000 in the sense 1000, 110, 1. Okay. Now question number 3a is, first we have to write 0.29 in this table. 0.29 means it is point here, 0 at the ones place, and here it is 2 and 9. Okay, then I will take C, 19.60. So it is ones, tens, means 9 at a ones, 1 at a tens, then 6 at a tens place, and 0 at the hundreds place. No need to give decimal here. Okay, no need. Then 200.812, 200.812, simply 200. So 200.812. You can directly write. Then question number 4 is write each of the following as decimals. Now here we have to convert, some fractions are there, some whole numbers are there, and we have to convert it into decimals. So it is very easy. Only we have to add that number. Question number 4, 20 plus 9 plus 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100. 4 by 10 plus 1 by 100. Now see, here it is 4 by 10. 4 by 10 means it is nothing but the tens place, right? And 1 by 100 means hundreds place. Okay. So what is our answer? Whole number. We add whole number with whole number. It is 20 plus 9, 29. Okay. Then convert it into decimal. 4 by 10 means 0.4 and 1 by 100 means 0.01. Now add all the numbers. I think you know very well the addition of decimals. Whenever we add the decimals with decimal number, then keep decimal here and write down after that number. Okay, decimal के नीचे decimal आना चाहिए, बाकी के numbers हम लिख सकते हैं. So it is 0.41. So it is 29 plus 0.41. Now add 0.41 with 29. So 29 यहाँ पे आएगा. It will be 29.00. 29 means what? It is a whole number. So it is 29.00. Why 00? Because we converted into like decimals. Like decimals. Okay. So it has become 29.41. So 29.41. Okay. Another example. I will take C here, which is 7 by 10. 7 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. 7 by 10 plus 6 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. So convert it into decimal first. It is 0.7 plus 0.06 plus 0.004. Okay. Now see, after decimal 7, after decimal then 6 and then 4. So it is 0.764. 3 डिजिट नंबर चाहिए हमें. हम इसको लाइक डेसिमल्स में भी कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. तो अगर लाइक डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है तो इसको भी पॉइंट के बाद में 3 डिजिट्स का बनाना है. हम ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं अगर कंफ्यूजन है आपको तो. नाउ सी, in each and every number there are 3 digit number after decimal 700 060 004. अब जो डिजिट है उसके प्लेस में वो वहां पे रख दीजिए. ओके, ये भी एक सिंपल मेथड है. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, E700 plus 20 plus 5 upon plus 9 upon 100 is there. So it is 725.09. Now question number 5, write each of the following decimals in words. वर्ड्स में लिखना है. वो तो हमने 8.1 एक्सरसाइज जो हमने सॉल्व की थी उसमें ही मैंने बताया था आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. Now between which two numbers in tens place on the number line does each of the given number lie? कौन से दो नंबर्स के बीच में वो नंबर मिलेगा. ये यहाँ पे मैं बता देता हूँ आपको. 0.06 is there. 0.06. First of all, I draw the number line here. Okay, it will start with 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now it is 0.06. Okay, between which two numbers in tens place. ठीक है, हमें यहाँ पे क्या निकालना है, टेंस प्लेस निकालना है. 8.1 में हमने होल नंबर को ये किया था. अभी यहाँ पे टेंस प्लेस में 0.06 है. ठीक है, तो ये 2 डिजिट नंबर बना है. ये क्या बना है, 2 डिजिट नंबर बना है. राइट, इट मीन्स दैट हमें यहाँ पे 0.00 देन 0.01 से शुरू करेंगे. तो 0.01 और यहाँ पे रखेंगे हम 0.10. ओके, मीन्स 0 to 0.1 यानी 10. राइट, तो ये 0.06 कहाँ पे आएगा, ये 0.05 देन आएगा 0.06. तो किसके नियरेस्ट आता है ये, इट इज नियरेस्ट टू 0.1. तो 0.06 इज in between 0 and 0.1 and प्लस उतना ही लिखना है. टू नंबर्स के, कौन से टू नंबर्स के बीच में. ठीक है, नियरेस्ट नहीं लिखना है. अगर नियरेस्ट लिखने के लिए पूछा आपको तो किसके नियरेस्ट है, इट इज नियरेस्ट टू 0.1. ओके, अनदर एग्जांपल 0.92. ओके, सेम 2 digit number after decimal. So 0.92 is there. 92 means what? It is nearest to 0.100. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये क्या होगा, 10th प्लेस है. सो इट इज इन बिटवीन 0.9 to 0.10. Okay. Then question number 7, write as fractions in lowest terms. Lowest terms means we have to convert it into fraction first and then simplify it. So it is 0.60. 0.60 if we convert into fraction then it is becomes 6 upon 10. If it is 60 then it is 60 upon 100. Okay, 60 upon 100 means 0 get cancelled, so it will be 6 upon 10. Now convert into simplest form. So 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, means it is 3 by 5. Okay, another one example 0.75. See, after decimal there are 2 digits. It means that it will be divisible by 100. So 75 upon 100. Now we can simplify, we can solve it. 25 3s are and 25 4s are, means it is 3 by 4. Okay, so it is all about exercise 8.2. Solve it in your notebook. Okay, and keep watching my videos. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.